just before I leave you. I'll be back someday, and with me I will take you. So do not be afraid, only watch and pray, and wait for my return. I've done what I must do. My work here is completed. It's all been done for you. Believe what I have stated. I will give you peace through all your tribulations until I come again. Please know that I love you. I'll stay by your side. If only now in spirit I'll still be your guide. You will not suffer long, for I have suffered for you. I love you with my life. I'll prepare a place where we can live together. I'll meet you face to face to share our new forever. Don't let your love grow cold.